not an item, just some protective packaging. Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior aka Julie here, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what is in the December 2020 Boxyluxe, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so Boxycharm. This December box better be good. Not only is it my birthday month, and then we have the holidays, but the last few $50 boxes have not been up to par, so I may need to part ways with the extra expensive box. But we shall see. Hopefully they will shock and awe me, and I will continue on in 2021 paying 4 times a year an extra $25. So this, if you aren't aware, is a seasonal. Every 3 months you pay an additional $25 on top of the regular $25 base box. You get 8 full-size products, and hopefully there's a card, because that would annoy me as well. Alright, I'm going to stop talking and let's take a look at what we got. Ooh. Alright, so this is a little sneak peek of the inside here. There is a card, yes. Ooh, it says Bubbles and Glitz is the theme. And I am iteration... usually it just says like 52, 71. I don't know what... Can you focus, camera? There's like 50,000 numbers there. LX 2012. Alright, I'm gonna just dig in the first thing that caught my attention because it looked like a little purse or something. I see the word LUXIE. This is a lovely little case and some brushes. What kind of brushes? Ooh, it's like a suede or a faux suede. Nobody does leather this day and age. Everyone's too PC about animal cruelty. I don't want animal cruelty either. That came out wrong. But I don't think it's actual leather. Oh, look at that. So you open it up. Has a little thing in case they're dirty. A flap. And it is coming with, is that 7? 5 and 3 is 8. Alright, so there are 5 eye brushes and what looks to be a like a brush you could use for foundation, one you can use for highlighter and like contour. It's a very squished, flat. I guess that would be good for contour. Alright, I like LUXIE brushes. This is very cute. Off to a good start, Boxycharm. Alright, let's see what the card has to say. This here is the LUXIE Glitter and Bold brush set, and it retails for $85. What? I'm going to look up on the LUXIE site to see if they really sell it for that. That seems really pricey. Okay. Thank you, Boxycharm. I love some brushes. Alright, let's move along to the next item. It's very small. Is this full size? What is this? Symbiosis London HA2 plus PUL. What? Hyaluronic acid plus Pululon. It's a tightening and resplendent eye mask. Ooh. It's 15 milliliters. Alright, let's see what... Is that an add-on, maybe? Let's look at the card. Okay, no, not an add-on. This is from Symbiosis London. It's a tightening and replenishing eye mask, and it retails for, you ready? $93. 15 milliliters. Okay. You know I love a good eye cream, eye serum, and they can be pricey. I am not familiar with this brand. Does it do anything more spectacular than other eye creams to warrant that price? What does it say? It is an eye mask in a cream to tighten, rejuvenate, and brighten the delicate eye area. It is fortified with hyaluronic acid, pullulan, and shea butter, and works to visibly reduce puffiness and the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. For that price, it better do that. Clean the garage, make my bed, and wash my clothes. All right. Yes, you know I love a good eye cream. All right. Let's go move along. Those two items alone, this box is almost, what, 180 bucks, 175 bucks. 6 more items. Let's see what the next one. Oh. Okay, so when I did my selection, I don't know if you can call it a selection. If A, you only can select between 2 items, and one of the items is already sold out. Is that a selection? I am not into, what are these called? Post earrings. I've worn the same earrings for literally 20 plus years. I never take them out. I'm boring. I'm lazy. My ears get So this will be in a future giveaway. Oh, having a hard time finding something for my sister-in-law for Christmas. Maybe. Okay, so the earrings, they're from Zaxie by Stefanie Taylor, and they are cushion cut CZ Halo stud earrings, and they retail for $36. All right, next item. What is this? We have Reza, Be Obsessed. Love My Leave-In for all hair types. What kind of a leave-in? What is this? All right, Mr. Card, tell me what this is. This gold infused shield has 7 mystic ingredients: champagne for high shine, crushed diamonds for brilliance, rose of Jericho to nourish, pea protein for strength, king coconut oil to fortify, black truffle oil to moisturize, and strawberry seed extract as an antioxidant. Okay, so it's just a leave-in. It's not necessarily a conditioner. There's a bunch of expensive stuff. Let's see what the spritzer is about and the scent. It does have a scent. Kind of all the things they mentioned combined, doesn't smell bad. It does feel like a leave-in conditioner, though. It's a little, I don't say greasy, but slippy. It's a fine-ish mist. All right, my AAA bundle this month had tons of hair care, so I am stocked up on leave-in hair care products. All right, on to the next item. Not an item, just some protective packaging. All right, what is this? Oh, I think I did select this. It's very smaller than I thought. This is from Sol de Janeiro, and it's Brazilian Kiss. It's a tinted Cupuacu lip butter. All right, instead of butchering what the packaging says, let's take a look at the card. The Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss tinted Cupuacu lip butter retails for $20. It's a soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of Cupuacu butter, acai, and coconut oils. All right. Again, the selections were not that great. Ooh, it has interesting packaging. And Okay, I was worried. Online it looked very brown, very dark, very... Let's see. Oh, you can even barely see that on my skin. Okay, so this will be lovely. It does have a slight chocolate scent because I believe cacao, however I'm saying that, is like cocoa butter. All right, on to the next item. Ooh. Okay, sorry. I saw the word Good Jeans and Sunday Riley. I love this brand. This product is fantastic. Why it's not in the box, I do not know. Um, let's see what size this is. So if you aren't familiar with this brand, Sunday Riley is very luxurious, pricey skincare line. This is the Good Jeans with lactic acid treatment. The retail value is $85. That's another reason I went, ooh, because this is a nice skincare product. It's a multitasking, targeted lactic acid treatment, which rapidly exfoliates and boosts naturally youthful radiance while visibly reducing the look of lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. So, if you've watched my channel, you know I'm into the skincare. This is like one of those holy grail products, so I'm ecstatic to get this in this box. All right, next item. We have a palette of some sort. I am not familiar with this brand, but I'm going to assume, based off of the shape, that this will be a eyeshadow palette. Okay, it comes with a mirror. It is, for me, very adventurous. This will be in a future giveaway. But if you are into blues and teals with some kind of neutral shades, you would love this. On camera, the brightness is not as what I see in the box. It reminds me of like a peacock, the types of blues and teals in here. Okay, so the Hipdot Cenote pressed eyeshadow palette retails for $30. Wow, that's surprising. I was, for some reason, based off of other palettes, Boxy, thought it'd be like 50 bucks. So that's affordable price, I think. Okay, on to the next item. I believe maybe the last item. And we have another palette as well. We have a palette from Iconic London. And this is, oh, okay, so it's got cheek products in here. We got some bronzers, blushes, and I believe a highlighter. Let's see what Mr. Card has to say. Iconic London Blaze Chaser Face Palette has a retail value of $55. It says that it features 6 shades of butter smooth, velvety powders that complement all skin tones. It contains shades for sculpting and bronzing, and a natural looking warmth and definition, blush shades, and a glow highlighter shade. All right, so let's do a recap. So we got an eyeshadow palette, a face palette, some earrings, a leave-in hair product, Good Jeans, Holy Grail exfoliating serum product, a super expensive eye product, a lip product from Sol de Janeiro, and a brush set from LUXIE. All right, give me your thoughts. I'm going to put on the screen the price and grand total of everything. What do you think? I think this box was good. Fortunately, not my shades. I'm just not that adventurous. Some of these products are good, just not up my alley, so I don't know if that I'll diss them. But we'll have some good items for a future giveaway. Leave me a comment and let me know. Do you get this box? Are you on the fence? Are you considering getting rid of the extra $25 4 times a year? I don't know. I'm going to have to think about this one. I suffer from some serious FOMO, so I may keep it. I have until March, a little before March, to figure it out. All right, thank you so much. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. If you are new, welcome. Please subscribe, leave me a comment. For those who are subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. And don't forget to hit that like button and the bell so that you're notified of future videos. Thanks, everyone.